Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are welcome to my channel once again. God bless you all in Jesus name. Please, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button, press the notification bell in case anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first person to notify. As many that have subscribed to my channel, may God bless you and grant your heart desire in Jesus name. Today I want to show you how you can make Ofada stew. This is my fresh tomatoes that I want to blend, but I will not allow it to blend finish, just half blend, not too smooth. So this is the pepper. I've started cutting it. You all know this pepper now. And this is my fresh pepper, and this is the meat I want to put on fire to cook. So follow me up, we shall be right back. Let me blend my tomatoes and my pepper first, then I'll put the meat on fire, then I will show you. We shall be right back. May God bless you. Sorry to say earlier, this is the onions I want to make use of. Can you see that? So I'll blend them together. So we shall be right back. Now I've washed the meat inside the pot. I want to put my salt to taste, and I dyed the one onions again so earlier. Then this is my bay leaf. I'll put it. So I'll take some of the onions. I'll use little. I'll leave little to fry, to boil the meat. This is my seasoning cube I want to make use of. So this is my thyme. I'll add a little. This is my curry powder. Then I'll add a little. So I'll put this meat on fire to be cooked. I'll add little water to it. Then I'll come and blend my tomatoes, onions and pepper. Keep on watching my people. I want to start blending the tomatoes now. This one is okay like this. So that is how I'm going to blend it one after the other till I finish blending it. Can you see that? Okay. Now my meat is on the fire cooking. Can you see that? I have gizzard, I have shaki, I have pomo here cooking on the fire. So after cooking this meat, I'll take some of them and I will dice it. That's what make Ofada stew. This meat will take like although I've started cooking it, but it will take like I forgot to say it earlier, it will take like 20 minutes to cook proper. You know, we have momo, we have shaki, we have gizzard, and they are so strong. So we take like 20 minutes or so to cook. Here we come. This is my tomatoes, pepper, onions has been blended. Can you see it? I didn't blend it smooth. Can you see that? That I will use to make the Ofada sauce. And you use palm oil to make Ofada stew or Ofada sauce. You can call it Ofada stew or Ofada sauce. This is my crayfish, and this is my Ofada rice that I want to make use of. Can you see it? See all these things? Then I want to start frying this stew. Now, follow me and watch to the end. See how I do everything. This is the Ofada and the tomatoes. They normally use palm oil to cook it. Follow me. Let's check our meat. Wow, The meat is cooked. Can you see that? Perfectly cooked. Now I want to remove the meat on the fire so that we can start frying the Ofada stew. Let's remove the meat on the fire. Now the pot is on the fire. Let's add our palm oil. It's okay because the stew is many. This palm oil, I will not allow it to, to hot so much before I can add the rest things to it. Now the oil is hot already. It's okay like this. Won't allow it to bleach so much. Then we can add our salt. Okay. Add our onions. Can you see that? That together. Then let's add our blended tomatoes. Can you see that? You cover this stew. Let it cook. Let's cover it like 10 minutes first. We'll allow it to cook dry before we start adding other ingredients. Let's cover it, give it like 10 minutes to cook. Ofada sauce, don't worry. Keep on watching. Watch to the end so that you understand everything. Now, as our Ofada stew is on the fire, let's put water to parboil our Ofada rice. The water is on the fire. I will allow it to boil first. Then I will now add the Ofada rice to parboil it before I start cooking it. So keep on watching. And the stew is still boiling on the fire. So we shall be right back. Let's dice our pomo and the other sauce. This is the meat I cooked so far. I want to dice some from inside. All these pomo, shaki, and gizzard, I want to dice them into smaller pieces. If you have fish, you can make use of this crayfish. I didn't blind it. I want to put everything inside like that. So Ofada sauce, Ofada stew, when you are eating it with the rice, will be three small things. All this small meat, fish, crayfish. Just that I don't have big crayfish. You can make use of anyone you want. Anyone you have, you can make use of it. Okay? Let's keep on washing. I want to dice this one. So I'll put this one inside the stew. I will dice this one. So when you are trimmed, you'll be trimmed. Eating the rice, you'll be trimmed something small inside the food. So sweet and delicious. Now the meat has been diced into smaller pieces. Can you see that? Pomo, shaki, and the rest. It has been diced into smaller pieces. I want to put my rice inside the water to be washed. Let me parboil my rice. So I will allow it to parboil. Then I'll filter the water before I start cooking. You know how they do it now. While the stew is still on the fire, cooking. Can you see that? Now, after 10 to 15 minutes, this is the stew. Let's check. So, can you see that? Can you see this stew? I didn't put anything tomatoes. This is how I'm going to cook this stew. This Ofada sauce. This is how I'm going to cook it. I'm not going to put anything tomatoes. Now in this place, I can add my washed crayfish. I wash it, add it inside. and my dicing meat I diced so far. And the meat. I'm not going to add water now, so I will cover it to cook like 10 minutes again, so that the water will still dry. I see the Ofada sauce. You see that? If you have not tried this stew, you have to try it. Very delicious, especially when you cook it with palm oil. Let's cover. So this is my washing rice. See that it's washed. I wash it thoroughly, very clean. Then I wanted to add it on the pot. Okay, the water is boiled. This water I've had salt and little groundnut oil to cook the rice. Cover it to cook. While this stew is still cooking, shall be right back. Stew. Wow. Can you see that? It's properly cooked. Can you see? You know the tomatoes I blend is so plenty. Now I can add the sauce, that is the water I used to boil my meat. Stew. Then I will cover it again to cook like 10 minutes. While we are doing that, my rice is properly cooked. Can you see the rice? So let's wait for the stew for 10 minutes again. Then we know the next. Now the stew is ready. Ready. Can you see that? This is how to know Ofada sauce. You see the aroma, it's everywhere. See? Do not allow your oil to cook too much. See it? See? There's nothing tomatoes. You look as if you put in tomatoes. See, huh? Because your oil didn't fry like that. Can you see that? Now it's the time to bring the stew down. The stew is ready. Gonna do it. So I'll bring the stew down. This is my cooked rice. Let me serve myself. This is the rice side dish already. Can you see that? If you have not tried this, please try it. It's so delicious. Can you see that? This is all the diced meats. When you are eating it, Wow. Let's test our food. Let's test. delicious. Thank you for watching my video. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. If you know you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Follow me up. See how I cook my food, different kinds of food. I give also entertainment. Come and join me eat. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Bye for now. So we'll see you later. Bye bye, my people. This food, it's so delicious. You have to try it. You guys have to try it. So delicious. You cook this stew like this, it take time before you finish. Okay, bye for now, my people. We shall see you later. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Tinted TV. Ciao.